Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm very excited tonight and very honored to have been asked to participate in the Thursday train on YouTube with my friends Janice and Dave. I'm filling in for our friend Julie E., who's busy moving and setting up her new house and her new studio. So I hope you come back to YouTube soon, Julie. We miss you. But I'm honored to have been asked. All three of these wonderful artists are in my Patreon group, which is called Nate's Art Lab. If you'd like to paint with us and do the monthly challenges and really be part of a really supportive and wonderful group of artists, go to patreon.com and search for Nate's Art Lab and find out all the details. But I don't want this to turn into a commercial about that. Tonight I'm painting on a 24 by 36 inch canvas, and I'm going to do a tree swipe. It's one of my favorite techniques. I've done quite a few of these. I'll link a playlist at the very end of this video if you'd like to check those out. I use varying sizes of palette knives to draw in the trunk of the tree. I use this one for the trunk and the base, and then graduating smaller sizes to build out the branches and the twigs. And the last time I did, my husband always says, "Oh yeah, it's very pretty." But on the last one, he said, "Why are you always painting dead trees?" He's like, "Why don't they ever have any leaves on them?" So I'm going to breathe a little life into this tree tonight. I'm going to get my fingers dirty and do a little finger painting to draw in some leafy structures onto the tree. And I think it's going to be kind of whimsical. I hope, we'll see. So usually I lay down some colors and swipe it out with some plastic. This time I want some just flat, basic negative space. So I've mixed up this beautiful dove gray color, which I'm going to use as my base coat. And it is a mix of 3 parts US Floetrol, 1 part chroma acrylic white, and a little bit of Amsterdam lamp black. I think maybe half of an ounce. The thing about mixing up a custom gray like this, and all grays, grays dry darker than they appear. So this is not the color it will be when it dries. It will always dry a little darker. So I haven't gotten it quite to the tone that I want it to be at the final result. I've gone a little lighter on that. And then for my other colors, for the actual tree part, I'm sticking with this. I'm kind of obsessed with this Chanel inspired color palette with the pinks and the grays and the silvers. So this is a mix of Amsterdam titanium white and Vallejo pearl medium. I'm hoping this gives me some cloudy effects. This is a mix of Amsterdam titanium white and quinacridone rose, and mostly white with just a little bit of the quinacridone rose. This is DecoArt Americana Metallics Berry. It's a beautiful raspberry red metallic color. It's beautiful. And this one, I don't have much of this left, but this is I've had this left over from a couple of other pours that I've done. This is Chroma Molten Metals Silver, and to darken it up so that it's a different tone from this gray, I've added in quite a bit actually of the Amsterdam lamp black. So now it's kind of a gunmetal gray. I'm only going to use this in the trunk of the tree and on the base. So I'm going to tilt out my base coat here, and then I'm going to lay down the white and the dark gunmetal down here, and then I will use my palette knife to draw in the trunk and a couple of large branches, and then I'm going to drizzle these colors where I want the crown of the tree to be, and then I'm going to use my finger and draw in some patterns and kind of wreck the lines a little bit. So that is my process, and I'm going to put on some music for you while I play, and I hope you enjoy.
I went out and tried to cut a pine tree down, fell through the ground like Alice. must be a nest. I got rocks and sticks against my chest. I'm Alice, dear queen of hearts. I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell king of hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. What a start, inside out and upside down. No stress, I'ma clean up this mess like Alice. First hand me scissors, then bring out the heavy artillery. Oh, justice is my middle name, I'm Alice. I'ma grow you white roses so you can learn to be kind. Tell king of hearts to arm all his forces so you can learn to be kind. And the horizon silver line.
They call me sassy when I'm strolling down the street. They call me classy when I'm serving just the best. I can be deadly when I find somebody lovely. And now I'm ready like a kitty in a dress. Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me. Someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby. Now would you love me if I was somebody else? Wish I had a tail. Wish I had a tail. Cause if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail. If I had a tail. Yeah, if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. I would swing it to the beat, I'd be a mover. And everyone be jealous of my touch. I just wanna be the one that makes you true. No, I'd be a super duper cool, not a smoother little puss. Wish I had a tail. Wish I had a tail. Cause if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail. If I had a tail. Yeah, if I did then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. Now don't call me mean, I just want someone to to love me, someone to lick my wounds and kiss my aching body. My desperation knows no termination, baby. Now would you love me if I was somebody else? Wish I had a tail, wish I had a tail. 'Cause if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail, if I had a tail, yeah, if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. Wish I had a tail, wish I had a tail. 'Cause if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail, if I had a tail, yeah, if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you.
Well, isn't she cute? Oh my God, I love it. The berry did take over quite a bit, actually. I used less of it than I did the other colors, but it's a metallic and it wants to float to the top and kind of take over, but I'm really happy with this. I love this color scheme. I think it's very obviously a tree. I love this darkness here on the ground, and here it looks like the shadow of the tree, so it gives it a lot of depth. I'm glad that I added in the berry here in the bottom too, in the pink, because it looks like, you know, maybe there's some leaves that have fallen from the top. So let me get you in down here where we can see the little swirls. Isn't that beautiful? Let's look at this. So you can see the pink, but it's mostly berry and white. Oh, look at that. Really pretty. This was a lot of fun. And I think this tree has lots of life and lots of whimsy. And I love this dove gray base coat. The tree swipe itself has lots of beautiful details in it. I love that too. Looks like a gnarly trunked tree. Let's see if I can get it from over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, lots of nice pretty little cells. Some good motion to it. I love how that branch comes off right there. I love these little branches coming off there too. Those are kind of fat branches. I love it. Yeah, this was really cool. I'll have to do this again, maybe in a different color palette. But let me know what you think. Unfortunately, I won't have dry results this time because today is Wednesday and I have to post this tonight in order for you guys to watch it tomorrow at the Thursday train. So this won't be dry, but I will post this to my Instagram channel because I think this is really fun. And thank you very much for watching. Go back, if you haven't already, go back and watch Janice and Dave. And please welcome Julie back when she comes back. And go mix up some paints and be fearless.